All right, here's part of your assignment for tip, tax, and discount. This is for my class. Some other classes may have already done this, so and you may have done the whole page. I'm not sure. Tip, tax, and discount. All right, this is all real life problems right here. I'm not going to solve them for you. I'm just going to help you get maybe one or two set up. So number 7 says Brandon buys a radio for $43.99 in a state where the sales tax is 7%. So how much does he pay in tax? So what are we doing right here? All we're finding is percent of a number. Percent of a number. And all you have to do is change the percent to a decimal. Of means to multiply. And then just multiply by whatever that number is. And then just follow the directions. So you have to do 7% of 43.99. 7% of 43.99. Change that 7 to a decimal by moving it to the left twice or dividing it by 100. And it is decimal 07. Decimal 07 of multiply 43.99. Okay, so what is that going to give you? That's going to give you A, how much does he pay in taxes? This would equal the tax. And then what is the total? So the total, you would take $43.99 plus tax equals total. Okay, now you have to figure that out. The answer for B is not $43.99 plus tax equals total. Okay, that's what you actually have to do. So answer A and answer B. Number 8, you're just finding percent of a number and then adding it to the original bill. Number 9, you have a couple of options here. I'm going to help you out on one. So number 9, Nora makes $3,000 a month. The circle graph shows how she spends her money. How much money does Nora spend on each category? So you have an option here. You can find percent of a number on every one. Like clothes, you could do 10% of 3,000. Change that 10 to a decimal, multiply it by 3,000, and that would tell you what the clothes are. You could do that every single time. But if you look at the circle graph, they're all whole numbers. It's 10%, 19%, 26%, 30%, 15%. So I wonder, maybe if you were to find out what 1% is of 3,000, 1, let me do that in a different color. 1% of 3,000, turn that into a decimal. So it would be decimal 01 of 3,000 equals what? So if you found out what 1% is, couldn't you take that and then just multiply it by 10, multiply it by 19, multiply it by 26, multiply it by 30, multiply it by 15? I think that's a real possibility right there. Number 10, Martin finds a shirt on sale for 10% off at a department store. The original price was $20. Martin must also pay 8.5% sales tax. So what you have to do on this is you first have to find out the new price of the shirt. Okay, 10% off, 10% of 20. First find that. The original, so this is the discounted price, or the discount, equals discount. Then, that's step 1. Step 2, the original cost of the shirt was $20, so you would do 20 minus the discount. That equals the new price. Then you have to figure out the tax. Step 3. How much is the shirt before taxes are applied? So that would be the answer. This would be number 2. That would give you A. And then B, how much is the shirt after taxes? So you would have to do the new price. Times 8.5%. That would give you the tax. This is a good problem. Then the final step, which is step 4, would give you B. You would take new price. I don't know why it's not writing, sorry. New price plus tax equals total. So that's 4 steps right there, but I couldn't make it any easier for you. Okay? Do the best you can on this. This is all real life stuff, so make sure that this is stuff you'll actually use in your life. There's some stuff you learn that you won't. You're just actually learning how to learn in those cases.